Ah, that's better. A simple point. I work from home and I wear my comfortable home clothes. But if I was going to meet someone for the first time, I definitely want to smarten up a bit. Smiling does really make a big difference. This is not a big formal presentation to a room full of people. You don't need to look around. Look at the lens. You're talking to one person and that's their eye. Just keep looking them in the eye and do it until you feel at ease. If you do your recording at the end of the day, when you're feeling a bit tired and you've used up all your energy, it's going to sound very flat. So just think about your voice and try and put a little bit of energy and rise in your voice. It doesn't have to be unnatural. I don't mean go over the top, just a little bit of warmth as you would if you were meeting someone for the first time. These top tips to help you record your video have been tried and tested with professionals. And believe me, no one gets it right the first time, but if you can follow these general rules, it will make a huge difference to how you come across.